Ojo. Here's the view from the inside. I changed the heatsink to a bigger one. Since the PA supply is a bit far from the source, so I added RF choke there. On the DC input jack, a reverse diode has been put to provide some reverse polarity protection. This board here is for the power meter to indicate the power output, and this board here is for the S meter. The input was derived from the receiver output, rectified, and then fed to the meter, power meter. Heatsink has been added to the regulator because it generates a bit of heat, and if you can see, just next to the trimmer pot there, a 470 microfarad capacitor was added to eliminate the clicks when you're tuning. And also a 1000 microfarad capacitor has been added to the supply to aid in the filtering. That's about it. Thanks very much for watching.